Truck 3 is clear. Bring the next stack down. Copy that, moving now. Check the alignment on line 3. Looks good from here, steady flow.
The state-of-the-art facility uses advanced robotics to sort and align every whole chicken, maintaining the internal temperature is stable.
Confirmed. The timing sequence is also correct.
The second coating tunnel ensures a precise, uniform layer. We monitor the thickness sensors closely to maintain consistency before frying. The second coating tunnel ensures a precise, uniform layer. We monitor the thickness sensors closely to maintain consistency before frying.
Temperature on line 3 is holding steady at 180.
Good, speed remains optimized.
The flow rate looks steady at 500 liters per hour.
And the UV sterilization is holding. Let's check the clarity.
Once golden brown, the chicken enters the cooling phase. Consistent airflow and precise timing are essential here.
Keep the airflow steady on line 3.
Confirmed. Temperature holding at our target.
Check the calibration on line 3. We have an overweight reading.
Confirmed. Adjusting the feeder now. Ensure the temperature remains stable during the transfer.
Confirmed. The reading is steady at 4 degrees.
Check the temperature on that last box.
It's reading 38. Clear the batch codes and move it in.
Looks good. All pallets secured and aligned.
Temperature holding steady at 3 degrees. Ready for transport.
The next pallet is ready.
Okay, moving this batch to the line now.
Order number 52, your 12-piece bucket is ready.
Oh, thank you very much. Tray alignment looks good on section 3.
Confirmed. Adjusting temperature on unit 4 to 90 Celsius.
Welcome to the counter. What can I get started for you?
We'll take 2 of the daily specials, please.
Do the kids' meals come with a drink?
How is everything tasting for you two today?
It's delicious. Thank you.
We are really enjoying it.
Here is your order, freshly packed. Enjoy.
Thank you, it looks amazing. Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. It looks great.
To the best lunch in the city. Cheers, everyone.
And we need table 7 cleared right away.
Here, try this piece. It's super crispy. Oh, wow, thank you.
This is the best chicken I've ever had.
We need more golden chicken on station 3.
Coming right up, chef. Make sure the sauces are dated.
I've got the large bags here.
The incoming orders spiked in the last 5 minutes.
I see that. The kitchen is keeping pace, though.
Here is your order, Simtomi.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
In 200 meters, take the ramp onto the expressway. Keep right.
Here's the last tray for this unit.
Okay, sealed and ready to go.
Here you go. Enjoy the chicken.
Looks delicious. Thank you.
A seamless blend of tradition and technology ensures that the taste you love is ready for 2026 and beyond.
Oh, it's finally here. Looks amazing, honey. Pass me the tongs.